Yeah. All right, so one way to add protein to your s'mores is add a cicada. So we're gonna add this to our cicada. We're gonna add the cicada to our s'mores.
Wait, is there a cicada in my s'more?
I want to see it, but I don't.
We're making for special. We're making these are Reese cup s'mores. A neat invention we had this weekend at Hueston Woods or Hueston Woods State Park.
It's all the marshmallows cause you trouble.
In Ohio, and the cicadas have come out, so we're making cicada Reese's peanut butter cup s'mores because they're full of protein. Can you take this from me, please?
I'm gonna eat it. Please don't.
They're delicious and nutritious.
Before we eat these, let's learn more about cicadas.
So we're at Hueston Woods and we're looking at the cicadas. So these are the brood X or 17-year cicadas. They come out at night. They burrow down about 8 inches under the ground. And then here in mid-May, when the weather finally gets warm enough where the ground is about 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 inches down, they decide to burrow back up where they've been hiding for 17 years and come back to the surface. They crawl up in the tree and they finally break out of their exoskeleton and molt. You can see if any of these are breaking through already. So like one like right here, you can see the body coming out of it and molting. But one just fell down there too. And so once they get out, they take a couple weeks for their bodies to harden. You can even hear them actually coming up from the ground. There's so many of them. They take a couple weeks to harden, and then at that point, you can hear their call as the males try to find a mate. And they lay their eggs, and the cycle continues. They lay their eggs up in the trees. They crawl back down into the ground for another 17 years. They live to be about 17 to 21 years. But look at all of them actually at night coming out.
Cicadas can go on your skin and they will not bite, sting, or anything. They can be on you.
Can you move? Just go. There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
What's his name? What do you name him?
He's named Superhero.
Okay. Nice name.
But they do.
If you look closely,
they have claws that'll stick.
So they can stick onto things. That's how they climb.
Yeah,
they can go upside down and everything. Turn it upside down.
But they will stick onto your skin.
So they're completely harmless. They don't actually bite. They don't sting. They're totally fine. You see one right here. You can eat them. They're a source of protein. They don't cause any harm to people. Oops. They're known for the red eyes.
And the best part about cicada shells are they're fun to stick on people too. Eli, I'm gonna put a live one on you.
Hey, Noah, stay very still.
Ow! You don't want to hurt the cicadas. They're very good to the environment. They help prune the trees, and they also help the soil. They aerate it. Cicadas are also fun playmates if you're bored. Now that we know about cicadas, let's go back to eating them.
Let me get a better angle here. Light. A little crunchy. But not bad.
Yeah, have some. Oh, wait, let's get a shot. I can see the bodies in there. Yep, there it is.
Man. Gross. Oh man.
Legs.
With the soft shell crab too.
The Reese's peanut butter was a really good idea.
Now, how do you know these are safe to eat? I should say Dr. Backpacker. Did you find this on Wikipedia?
That bag had a lot more. That bag had a lot more cicadas. Somebody grab the bucket. Cicadas are completely harmless to people. They don't bite. They don't sting.
And you can eat
they're
them.
actually a source of protein. They are actually nutritious as well. And you can eat them. You can fry them up. You can
Roast them?
we can roast them over the fire.
And eat them.
I think you said that bite in your left hand is the one you want to do.
Is it bad?
You should try it.
No! No! No!
All right, enough.
There we go. So we've got a 17-year cicada, which is crawling out of its shell right now at Hueston Woods State Park.
If you choose to eat a cicada, choose one of these, the teneral stage, that just crawled out of their exoskeleton, and stay away from the empty shells, which can be hard on the GI tract, or the older adults, which can have a fungus which is distasteful. Also choose ones that are away from the city, or away from fertilizers which may have been in the soil for the past 17 years while they're maturing. Avoid eating them if you have a shellfish allergy. So a defining characteristic of the 17-year or brood X cicada is the red eyes and the yellow and black body. You see these came out last night, molted through. One right here. Once in the trees, the males sing by flexing their tymbals, which are drum-like organs found in their abdomens.
When out of the ground, cicadas, their exoskeletons harden around them like a shell. This is a cicada shell. And the next morning, they come out of their shell, complete wings. With those wings, they'll fly to the top of trees and stuff, make that chirping noise, chirping like singing noise that we all know.
Waterfall! Whoa, this is so cool! Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks, and see you at the trailhead.